Hey, I'm be doing a review on this guide I found out about called The Lost Ways. Um, it's kind of like a survival, HTF kind of guide. Um, and it teaches you. I just kind of scroll somewhere to like the middle or the bottom, and oh, by the way, click the link below to learn more, and you come to this page. But it's actually a whole page. I just went down to the middle somewhere. Because I was reading the stuff they have, it's pretty amazing. Like it teaches you amazing stuff like how to, where is it? How to preserve water, how to make something like how to make poultices. You learn how to make that. You learn how to make pemmican. So it's just survival, overall survival guide. And it teaches you what you can grow in your backyard, how to grow that stuff, how to learn about how to deal with EMPs, all kinds of stuff. So it's just a survival guide that, so if you're trying to like up your survival skills, that's what this is for. So try it out if you're interested. Alright, thanks for watching and have a good day and check out that link. Alright, thanks for watching.